More. Good. Okay, leaning back. Okay, you're gonna drop that here. Good, let it go.
Oh my God.
And let it go. Good, chin up. That's it. I think we have reconnected your brain with your body. Which means you're gonna have a great weekend and rest of your life.
Good.
Power's on, Jen.